Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I'm glad to be here. I'm glad to be here. And I'm happy that you're seeing my face and I'm seeing your faces too. Even though I can't see your face from this end. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for bringing us back and giving us the opportunity to resume our programs as usual. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant each and every one of us success in our endeavours. For the past 10 months, we've been away. We've been on to some other things, which of course is going to be beneficial for myself and every other person that is listening to me, and whoever it is that is going to benefit much later in the process. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant each and every one of us success and make it a hujjah for us in this life as well as in the hereafter. So, quick one is that we are going to be resuming our programs as usual. Okay, and it's going to be a weekly discussion, and this time around we've selected two books that we're going to be benefiting from immensely. Okay, from this humble servant of yours that is speaking to you, as well as scholarly opinions from our teachers. And the first of those books is this book, Kashf. Inshallah, I'll display it on the screen. Okay, Kashf shubuaat. Kashf shubuaat is by Shaykh Muhammad. Shaykh Muhammad Al-Allama. Okay, Muhammad bin Abdulwahab. Alayhi rahmatullah. It's Kashf shubuaat, and Kashf shubuaat means unveiling the doubts. Okay, unveiling the doubts. So, what are the doubts that we are going to be unveiling? Inshallah, much later in the book, we're going to find out the doubts. But let me just give us a quick review. Some of the doubts that we're going to be looking at, because basically the book centers upon Tawheed, Aqidah, okay, belief as Muslims. Okay, so what are those doubts that the mushrikeen, the people that are eloquent in terms of in fasah lisan, okay, eloquence in the tongue, the arguments they can bring to want to, make you feel like, no, this is also part of the Tawheed, this is part of the Aqidah, and this is also part of the Deen. Alright, so Shaykh Muhammad bin Abdulwahab alayhi rahmatullah has written this book to, how do I put it, to rebut their argument. That's the correct word, to rebut their argument. Alright, so that we as Muslims, we can have a proper perspective of what our Tawheed and Aqidah should be. So this is Kashf Shubuhat. This is the first book that we're going to be looking at, and this is going to be on Mondays, every Monday, inshallah. Okay. So the second book that we're going to be looking at, okay, in order to give ourselves space, like, is this book, which centers on Fiqh. It's important for us as Muslims to have a clear perspective and have a clear understanding of the Fiqh matters of our religion, right? The practical aspect. That's what Fiqh is basically. Inshallah, when we start and we begin to discuss these books, we give ourselves some qawaid, okay, some principles, all right, with which we can have a better understanding of certain things, okay, and we're going to have definitions here and there, and also basically this book, Manhaj Sālikeen, Manhaj Sālikeen, والتوضيح الفقهي في الدين, الشيخ Abdullah ibn Nasir ibn Abdullah As-saa'diy, alayhi rahmatullah. Shaykh Sa'diy happens to be the Shaykh and teacher of Shaykh Al-Allama Muhammad bin Salih Al-Uthaymeen, alayhi rahmatullah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant each and every one of them paradise. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala preserve their legacy and grant them Jannatul Firdaus. So these are the books that we're going to be looking at. These are classical texts, classical books. Okay, they are legendary. Okay, written by legends themselves. So these are the books that we're going to be looking at, and we hope that we find it beneficial, and it's going to be a source of hujjah for us in this life as well as in the hereafter. So basically, these are the books that we're going to be looking at, right? The first one is Kashf Shubuhat, which borders on Aqidah, on Tawheed, on faith, which happens to be the fundamentals of our religion. Every other thing is built upon this foundation, right? So once the foundation is shaky, then you are building nothing on nothing, not something on nothing, like the lawyers would say. But this time around, we are building nothing on nothing. But that's what Allah saved us from that kind of trap. So the second one that we're going to be looking at is Manhaj Sālikeen, which has to do with the practical aspects of our deen, from Salat to Zakat to Miyah to Tahara, okay, to Nikah, and a host of other practical aspects of our religion. But that's what Allah grant us a deep understanding of the religion. Like the Prophet ﷺ said in one of the hadith to Abdullah ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu, when he said, Allahumma faqihu fi din wa 'allamahu ta'wila. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant him, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant this boy fiqh fi din, understanding of the religion, wa 'allamahu ta'wila, and correct interpretations of the Quran as well as the Sunnah. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant each and every one of us fiqh fi din, grant us good understanding and firm understanding of the religion, as well as putting things in a proper perspective. So this is going to be it. Mondays for Kashf shubuaat and Fridays for Fiqh fi din. هذا والله أعلم. صلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. So see you on Monday as well as on Fridays. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.